Symphonic B. Welcome, and today we're going to learn on how to put on lashes. So everybody has a different unique style on how they like to do lashes. My style, I love to do long lashes. I used to be natural, and I used to do like the little natural lashes, but as time went by, I love dramatic. So people always ask me, how do you put them on, and like how do they stay, and how can you see? So we're gonna do a video on that today, and hopefully you guys can follow along, learn some new things, some new tricks, because honestly I don't think they're new tricks. I just think it's just a technique. I think that's what it is, a technique. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you like the video, and continue to follow my journey. Thanks, you guys. Okay, so as y'all can see, I do not have one eyelash on, but there's the other in my hand right there. And I'm trying to get up close so I can show you all the gunk that's on it, if I can zoom in. All right, here we go. There, see how that is disgusting. We're gonna pick that off with our tweezers. So, let me clean this off a little bit. Get them tweezers, girl. Get them tweezers and start plucking. All right, this is really all you gotta do, because so far, y'all ignore my son. He's in the background. Okay, pick. Keep picking. Y'all look at my eyelash. The mug is huge, okay? Huge. But you're gonna keep picking until you have everything off. So we're just gonna continue with that, and yeah.
Hello, this is August.
Ew, look at all that. That looks nasty. I couldn't zoom in. I don't know why. Phone was tripping. But yep, look at that. That is, ugh. All that gunk I be putting on my eyes. Yeah, no. So let's get rid of that right now.
This is August.
I'm gonna say this right now. Please do not use hair glue as eye glue. Use eyelash glue, because it's ghetto. I'm gonna just say that. That's ghetto.
What's going on? I heard you got a lane, calling your phone. He got this game all wrong. If he had any words with you, he's supposed to be calling you, 'cause he don't see the big picture.
I left something, and look, if you ain't got time to wait, the best thing you can do is use a blow dryer. Dang, it's taking me so long to get back. Where did I go? Oh, here I go. All right, bam. Look at that. I got the blow dryer. All right. So really, that's all you need. Next, and here we go. Y'all, I really forgot to plug the damn blow dryer. What the heck? No time to wait, honey. I am not trying to wait on this damn eyelash to be dried out, okay? Now that I've blown it dry, okay, you want to make sure that you touch it and it's sticky. See? It's sticky and it's ready. And It looks like that, but it's okay because it's white, but it's gonna turn clear. So now it's time to apply.
Give me back. Man, what's up? I done hit you like 3 or 4 times. I know you got my text message. Hello? This is August.
Okay, on this part, please be extra careful because once that glue is sticky, once you stick it on your face or your eye, eyelash, whatever, it's hard to reapply or remove. So you want to place it on there gently and just kind of mess with it and tweak it. I didn't use my tweezers, which I should have done with you guys, but just keep messing with it, keep messing with it, keep messing with it, and boom, there you go. So, y'all, I really didn't realize that my video had cut off, but